In this video, we are discussing dental website design and its effectiveness as a strategy to market your dental practice. Dental website design is a strategy that focuses on converting website traffic into patients in your office. As far as generating new patients, this is a highly effective strategy. To implement this strategy by yourself or with your current staff would be very difficult. Your specialty is caring for patients, not coding websites. So the typical cost for a dental website design falls into two categories. There's templated designs, which can cost $1,000 to $3,000, and then there's custom designs, where you can expect to pay in the ballpark of around $10,000 and up. Dentists need to consider three fundamental factors to having a website that will convert patients. First off, it needs to be mobile responsive. You have to have a website that works on all devices, from a computer to a tablet to a phone. Secondly, it needs to be clearly branded. Branding to your website is more than just the color scheme of your logo. You want to sell the benefits of your services to your clientele. An orthodontist will have a different imagery and conversion goals than a family dental practice. Your website needs to be an extension of your practice. Finally, it needs to be conversion focused. You want to ensure the user knows the next step they're supposed to take. Be sure to read our recommendations on sticky menus so you can always convert a user no matter where they are on the website. Now, driving traffic to your site can come from many other strategies, such as search engine optimization. Stay tuned as we will discuss dental SEO and other strategies in greater depth in this series, the ultimate guide to marketing your dental practice.